uh, and then clear parent. Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Undo. We have to disconnect only. Huh? So Alt P. Uh, yeah, select the middle bone. Alt P. Disconnect bone. Fine. Yeah. Now select the third bone and then Alt P and then clear parent. Yeah, fine. Right. Now you have to. We have made some changes in the parent-child relationship in edit mode for bones. So in bones for bones, in edit mode only we should change the or make parent-child relationship or cut the parent-child relationship. In edit mode only we should do all these things. This chemistry between the bones we should set, that is parent-child chemistry in the edit mode only for bones. In pose mode, we should do the constraint kind of relationships. Okay, let's go to pose mode. Yeah, go to pose mode. Press tab and then go to pose. No, not that. Pose mode means on the top left side interaction. Left side. Yeah. Right. Now select the um, select the middle bone. Yeah. Now go to bone constraint properties on the right side. Constraint last one, blue color. Yeah. So there, yeah, go. Now give stretch to. Yeah. Now here target should be, this is one of the constraint. Okay, it's a very powerful constraint. Stretch to armature. Which family you are in the target? You should select the family. There may be another armature also. So sometimes you may have to select another armature if the control is somewhere else. So here in this family, one in between inside one family only, we are having controls, control bone, deform bones, rig bones, all kind of bones are there inside one family, armature family. Right. Now go to bone section in the add bone constraint settings. Select it. Now which one you should select, that is whichever is going to control this middle bone from the top. Sorry, that guy we should control 2. No, control 2. Now if you see, yeah, it is stretching. You have to adjust the original length. Keep it in the front view only, no? Yeah, a little zoom out. Yeah. Now just to try to adjust the original length settings in the right side. No, this stretch to settings, original length. Come down. Yeah. Just slide it. Yeah, careful. Now you press dot in the viewport and then just check near. Okay, select and then dot. Select anything and then. Yeah. Now press Alt Z. Press Alt Z. Transparency. Viewport transfer. You can see that. Or you can switch on the trans. Okay. No problem. No, in the top. You can switch. Okay, it is still like this only. Right. Now. Yeah, it's okay. Now. No. Select the middle bone. Select the middle. Yeah. Now how much it is? 2.13 something. Okay, it should be okay, I think. Right. Now you select the middle bone. It's already selected. Go to bone properties. In that, in the bendy bones column, come down. In that start handle, go to start handle, down. Make it absolute. Yeah. And custom should be control 1. Yeah. Same thing you do for the end handle also, absolute and then control 2. Yeah. Now you select this control, right side control. Now you can move it, yeah. Press G and then move it, yeah, like this, right. Now undo, yeah. This one, first one you select, control 1 you select, yeah, press G, yeah, right, yeah. So this, this bone, nature of this bone, it is a curve only. You would have seen this curve nature. If you see, if you create a bezier curve, it will have a handle, tangent handle. That handle type will be there. So when you move a vertex, that handle also you can actually change. Like that, it will behave like a curve. It won't be linear, straight. It won't be. So that is the advantage of this bendy bone, as well as this kind of setup, the rigging, the mechanism with constraints, stretch to the start handle, end handle, all these things we are using, and trying to attain this pattern of, this pattern of mechanism we are trying to. So that is a good advantage in this. So now, if you want, you can go to object mode, and I think this start handle you have selected. No, press N now. Sorry, it is not at 0. I think press N. It is at 0 only. Okay, fine. Right. Yeah, it is. No, that is okay. Weight should be same. Weight should be 1 only. We should not touch that weight. That is, below you are seeing quaternion, no? Come down. Quaternion. They are called rotation modes. Okay. So those rotation modes, they have many types of rotation modes are there. Generally, if you see in Maya and all, they have only this X, Y, Z, Y, X, Z, like that. All these combinations will be there. Just click on that. You will see all these types of rotation modes. This XYZ, XZY, all these combinations will be there. But here, in Maya it is Cartesian coordinates. Here it is Euler coordinate system. So here they have added one more, quaternion. This quaternion, if you see, just type 1 in the X, in the X1, no, in the rotation only. Rotation, no. Rotation X. No, it is W. See, when you put 1, how come it is rotating 90 degrees? So that is quaternion. But you just make it 0, back to 0. Yeah. Now change the quaternion to XYZ Euler. Yeah. Now you put 1, you see any, how is the reaction, you just see. Rotation X 1 you put. So only 1 degree it is rotating. You can see the degree symbol on that near the 1. You see that in the rotation X, 1 degree small dot is there. So, so that is the difference between quaternion and rotation. Quaternion works on units. That is, this is also called units. But still, it has a limitation of 1. 1 means 90, or sometimes it is relative, it's not absolute. But here in this case it is absolute. 90 means 90 only, that's all. 180 means 180, 360 means 360. But there, in what position it is from that it calculates to 1. Okay, so that is a difference in the quaternion. Quaternion, when in Blender many animators use this quaternion, why they use this? They don't want this gimbal lock issue. In 3D, we generally face this problem when, suppose you are doing some spaceship animation, you will face that a spaceship is going, or a helicopter, chopper is going on the sky, flying in the sky, and it has to rotate this way, that way, this way, like that. It will keep on rotating. Finally, what will happen? This This just go to rotate option on the left side toolbox. Left side. Rotate. This one you are seeing, no, the green color, red color, all this you are seeing, no. What they will happen, what will happen to them is this red color and blue color will get locked. They will be on the same line. You won't even see. You will feel that one thing is red line is missing. No, where is that? Like that you will feel. Or sometimes blue line will be missing. What has happened is they both are on the same line, or y-axis will become get mingled with the red color line, like that it will happen. So that is called gimbal lock issue. That is one axis will get locked, means what, they won't function, like that it will become. So that to avoid that issue, they have in Blender they have introduced this quaternion mode of rotation. So whenever like you are going to deal with rotation only, like for spaceship, no, when it is going, it will be like banking on one side, left side, banking on right side when it is flying. Like it will in that rotation inclination will be there when it is moving, no, in the space. It is moving like that. It will turn itself little left side. Okay, and then that is called banking. We call it banking. So yeah, banking. So like that, the right side banking, left side banking, like that. So it will that way when it is happening, the rotation mode will get confused. It will go into some locking mode. So to avoid that, people use Quaternion. In that Quaternion, this issue won't happen. So whenever those kind of animations you are going to do, in this animation I'm going to deal maximum with this rotation. I'll be rotating some extremes and all. So this extreme to that extreme to this extreme, like that I'll be mixedly I'll be doing the rotation animation. So I will have to switch to Quaternion, like that you will consciously do that, like that, yeah. But other cases you can keep it in XYZ. In other cases you can keep it in Euler, XYZ Euler only, you can keep it. So like that. Now I generally am comfortable with XYZ Euler. So yeah. So whenever I am going to do this some rotation animation, heavy rotation animation, or even medium level rotation, I will be shifting it to Quaternion and start the animation. Only thing, by default you select the control 2. Yeah. So you select, you see that Quaternion is on. By default in the Blender, Quaternion is on, not the, they are suggesting us the Quaternion only than this XYZ Euler. So we have to change. We have to see that, okay, I want to actually do the XYZ Euler. So let me select all the controls and then change all of them to XYZ Euler. Like that you should take the step, and then before start animating you should do this shifting of rotation mode from Quaternion to XYZ Euler. So like that you should start the animation. Otherwise what will happen, one control will be in Euler, another control will be in Quaternion, like that it will be like it should not be like that. Right. Now so this is the thing in what I want to. Yeah. Now you can go to object mode and then go to object mode, top left side. Yeah. Go to add mesh first option. Yeah. Now take a cylinder only. Cylinder you take. Yeah. Now reduce the vertices in the settings, in the left side settings, to 12. That is enough for us. 12. And radius should be 0.1. Yeah. And then here in the same line rotation is also there. In the y-axis, type 90. In the y-axis rotation here, left side in the settings, down. No, that is location. 90. Yeah. No. Here itself we can change it. Okay, right. Now go to move option. Yeah. Move it right side. No, that is keep it on the beginning. The mesh starting should be in the beginning. Yeah. But little left side. Let the mesh be up. Let it appear outside. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now switch on the transparency X-ray mode on the top. Yeah. Now select the second circle of vertices, group of vertices. No, this one. Yeah. Now press GX and then move it till the end of bone or little before, little more before. Come back, slightly come back. Yeah, in the middle of that box. Yeah, right. That's right. Now you can deselect those points. Now, that is we have. Just go to perspective. I want to see whether points are added or we have to add. Okay. So, right. Now press A and keep your cursor on the geometry and then Control R. Increase. Okay. Left side. Immediately left mouse button. Now increase the cuts to some 24. Yeah. Fine. Deselect. Yeah. Now we are going to bind the mesh. So now you have to understand the hierarchy. That is, these control 1 and control 2 are governing the bone. That is mid bone. Okay, they are governing the mid bone, and this mid bone is governing the object mesh. So this is the hierarchy. Who is controlling whom and who is controlling again whom. Right. Now go to object mode. Select the object. Select it is already selected. Select the bone. No. That is you are in object mode. No, anything you select, the entire bone family will get selected. So you don't have to worry. Yeah. Now select the object first. Both should be in multiple selection. Select the object first and then select and finally select the bone. Anywhere you select. On the line you should select. Now Control P. So you should understand that in Blender all these are treated as parent-child or similar to parent-child only. That is why even this deforming a mesh is given in the parent menu only. Curve deformation, which we are going to do next, that also will be seen in the parent menu only. So for all these things you have to press Ctrl P only. So the order of selection is mesh selection. Mesh should be selected first. Finally, you should select the bone armature family. Whichever bone you are selecting, you can select. That doesn't matter. Anywhere you select, the entire family will get selected. Only thing, you should click on the line correctly. Right. Now you can see this armature also is included in the parent menu. It's a context menu. In Blender, it's a context menu. Right. Now choose the automatic weights. Fine. Now work is done, you can just select the armature only and go to pose mode. Arm no, no. Select the armature. Select only the armature. No, you have selected the object. Now go to pose mode. Yeah. Now press W. That is no. Press the move option. Select the control 2. Yeah. Go to this top. It is in the transform pivot point. No. Top left in the middle transform pivot point menu. Yeah. There individual cursor should be on. Yeah. Now you move it and see. So the object will also deform, but you are not able to see the object because it is very small. So what you have to do is type undo. Yeah. Now you can hide the bone actually. Go to that is or in that is you can if you hide the bone we cannot see the bone, that is also there. No, you should not select that bone. Only the controls. See that middle bone is we should not, there is a restriction to select it. Because you are given controls, control 1 and 2, why you should select the bone, mid bone? There are two guys you have employed to control him. So you should not directly surpass those controls and then go to him directly. Right. Now, yeah. Now, the object is very small. You go to the viewport visibility on the top menu. Visibility menu is there. Top right side. Left, left side, left side. Slowly left side you come. No, that one. Yeah. There you can actually hide the bones, but here in the blender there is a problem that you can just hide it and see where armature will be there. Come down. Armature. Yeah. So if you hide in blender, this is what is happening. That is, what setup or setting they should do is, I should, though it is hidden, I should be able to see the control at least. So if I hide it, the entire thing is getting hidden. So that actually they can change, I think. So you can just unhide it. Unhide it. Go back to visibility and unhide it. Yeah. So now anyway you don't have to worry, this won't be seen in the render, bones won't be, only mesh you will be seeing. So yeah. So now with this control you can animate it, all that you can do. So that is in pose mode only you should do the animation, not anywhere else. So now go to object mode. Go to object mode. You have to manually go. Yeah. Now you have to create a control. For that, go to add. Yeah. Empty circle. Circle. And empty you have to go empty. Yeah, and then circle. Yeah. Right. Now you can name this as CTL underscore hole. Hole. Yeah. So some control is needed to in object mode for you to export, that is transport it anywhere from this origin point to anywhere. You can place it and scale it, rotate it, all that should be there. So every time we need not select control 1 and 2 and then move it, all that, go into post mode, all that we need not do. So for that purpose we have to parent them. So select the armature as well as mesh, and then select the, yeah, yeah, and then mesh, and then finally select the circle. Yeah, control P. This is also parent menu only. uh, Control P. Yeah, see, now the parent menu is showing the context. There is no bone selected, so it is not showing any bone armature related uh, tools. So that is the context menu. Blender, in Blender everything is context based. Right, now first one, choose the first one. Yeah, now select only the circle. Now move it and see whether any problem is happening. Just move it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now undo. Now press S and then scale it and see. Yeah. Okay. Undo. Now you rotate it and see. Rotate option left side. Yeah. Rotate it. Always no rotation. You should do with the X Y Z only, not white color. Yeah. Right. So okay. So this is how we should place it. Okay. That is for placement purpose. We are using this control whole circle, so that when the animator is going to do, you are a rigger. Okay. Once the animator is someone, the assembling artist will be there. He will, that is generalist, 3D generalist. He will assemble the set models, props models, and then he will take the character rig or anything, these kind of rigs from you, and then he will assemble both in one scene, one file, one Blender file. So then we will go to animator. Animator, what he will do, he will just animate it, and he will for the generalist to assemble this, he will bring this rig as well as building or something. There he has to place this selecting this circle only. He can place it between the buildings or anywhere. He has to place it and then scale it according to the proportion of the building. All that he has to do. So for that you are giving a tool, control hole you are giving him, so that he can scale it on it. So he won't, this generalist won't touch this control 1 and 2. He won't go into pose mode and touch. He should not do that. He should do only this control hole. That's all. So when it goes to animator, he will select this control hole and then go into pose mode and then animate the control 1 and 2. So like that. That is how the pipeline is. Right. Now you can save this as a bendy bone deformer. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can hide this. Actually, yeah, once again. Just select that cylinder. You selected now. Just now you selected. Yeah. Just press duplicate. Shift D. Yeah. Escape. Yeah. Now press Alt P. That is for bringing it out of the Alt P. Clear parent. Yeah. Now you can hide that one completely. That control hole. No. Shift. You have to go to this outliner. Press Shift and then hide it. No. Press Shift and then hide it. Hide the control one. Control hole. Yeah. Right. Now we are going to use this for another type of rig. Which one? What is that rig? It is curve deformer. It is very simple. Only thing, you have this work of your drawing the creating a spline, Bezier spline, and then shaping it. All that you have to do. Right. You press F2 and then change the name, or you can change in the outliner also, whichever way you want. Yeah, the mesh, just mesh. Yeah, some short name, that's all. Now go to add. and then curve Bezier. Yeah. Now press move option and then keep it at the beginning. Little more beginning. Little more. Uh, no, go to top view and then do it. No, you will be correct. It should be exactly in the beginning. Bus. Right. Now, no. Select the curve only. Select the curve and make it flat. How? Go to edit mode. Okay, this way also you can make it flat. Go to top view, no, top orthographic. Press 7. Uh, yeah. Now, no, don't change the view. It is correct only. Zoom in. Yeah. Now, select the first tangent handle's right side point. That day I told you, no, this is tangent. Now, press G and then yeah, control also, control. Yeah, just flat it, make it flat. Yeah, that's all. Now select both of them. Press A. Uh, Now press V, vector. Yeah. Now that's okay. Now go to up menu. There is sub menu. Curve is there. There. Yeah. No, you just now set spline type to poly. Spline type. Come down. Spline type. Poly. Yeah. So why I told you why we don't have to do this actually. We will make it again Bezier curve only. We will go to back to add curve and then curve submenu and then set handle type to Bezier only from poly. Okay, but now because it will confuse you, so many handles there, handles points are there like that, no. So I'm just I want to hide the display of handles so that only you will see the vertices, not the handles. So for that purpose, right. Now select the vertex, second vertex, only second vertex. Press GX. Keep it until till the shape end, where the shape ends. Exactly. Yeah. Right. Right. This also you should do first vertex also you select little, let it be exactly at the starting. No? First vertex. GX and then no, starting where the shape is little back. It should be precise. Back, left side. No. You are there. Opposite side. Yeah. Bus. Right. Now leave it. So okay. Now press A. You are going to add one in between point also. Press A and then right click. Subdivide. Right. So one more is added now. Uh, right. Now what you are going to do is, if this is a curve, okay, you can name this as wire also if you want. Press F2 and then press F2. Name it wire or wire deformer underscore D. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Enough. Okay. Yeah. Press. Right. Now, so that now you will know, that is when we are naming it, we can call by name. We select the wire deformer like that. Now, yeah. If you would have seen, no, some wires will be there inside an object. So using that wire, we can string kind of engineering and all they use, no, for buildings and all inside the cement block. there will be a string or group of strings or some rod, iron rod will be there, so that it become it will be it will stand, it will have a framework. Same way that is why we are just calling it wire, right? So wire is wrapped by a mesh, right? Now what we are going to do is, this wire wants to, we are going to make him control the mesh. Till now what we were doing, we made the bones to control the mesh. Now we are making this wire, this curve, to control the mesh. So that is the difference we are making, right? Now go to object mode. Yeah, select the mesh first. Yeah, then select, you can do in the outliner these kind of selection orders, no? I generally prefer in the outliner only than in the viewport. So press Ctrl and then select the wire. No, now bring your cursor to the viewport and then Ctrl P. Yeah, now you can see the curve deform. Do you see that option, curve deform? Yeah, and you can choose that. Yeah. So now we have to position this in this curve deform. This problem is there. You just select the only the object, only the mesh. Yeah. Yeah. Now just try to move it in the x-axis right side. Position it where it was actually. Yeah. Right. Now select the wire deformer. In the outliner only, wire deformer. Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, select any one point and just move it. Yeah, middle point only. You selected middle point. No? Press G and that's just yeah, move. So object will also move. Okay. Undo. Because we don't have points for these. Right now. So now the wire is influencing the mesh. Now the mesh is bound by the wire. He is no more independent. Mesh is no more independent. He is controlled by this wire. Right. Now, but if you see, when we moved that vertex, it is not stretching. It is not maintaining its volume to the length of the wire. It is becoming smaller. Because when the wire is stretching, the object should also stretch. That is, I want it to stretch, but it is not happening. So how to do that? How to achieve that? Select the okay. First we will create the controls and then do that safely. Because I will first tell you why we should immediately create the controls for control 1, 2, 3, all that we have to create. Why I will tell you. See, select any one vertex. Yeah, you have selected, no? Yeah, select one vertex. Now you see on the right side x minus 0.96, like that some number is there. Okay. So if you just move it, no, just move the vertex somewhere. Just press G and then move it. It's not a serious. No. Press G and then move it. Stop. No, not this much. See, very little only. Undo. Very little you should move. Bring your cursor to the viewport. Press G. That's all. Very small movement you should do. Okay, don't move it very harshly. Undo. So press W. Yeah. Now, so when you just press G now, press G, only G. Slightly move. So when you move it now, very slightly only move. Don't move this much quantity. Okay. So move it somewhere and keep it. No, press move it and keep it. Keep it. Now can you just type 0 and try to bring it to the same point where it was? Can you bring it? I am asking you, can you bring it back? You cannot. No, that is not precise. No. See where it was exactly, you cannot bring it. Just type zeros and try to bring it x, y, z, b zeros. It will go somewhere else. See, it will go somewhere else. So that is why we have to use a control. So undo, 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 undo. Yeah. So this is the rest pose. What they call rest pose. That is how the object was in the beginning, how the curve was in the beginning or bones in the beginning. Same structure it should be. Okay. That is how. That is, it is like, you know, like when something is in default status only, you can manipulate it, and then again you can. You can again animate it. So to repair it, to make some changes in that, to manipulate it, so for these things you need to come bring it to rest pose. This is called rest pose, where it is now the point, the mesh points, vertex points, all are in rest pose. That is, it is not in some movement. You didn't change anything from how it was. So that rest pose is very important when it comes to rigging animation. That is why if you download and all from anywhere, no, the character will be in T pose. T means what? Or at least it will be like default. It will be like it won't be in some posture like saying hi, or like in some other posture will not be there. It will be just standing like when in prison, how a person stands and the prisoner, that is the policeman, takes photographs. He will keep in front and side, how casual the body will be. So in that posture, that is called rest pose. Okay, he is not in some attitude, he is not in some posture. He will be like either T pose, hands stretched horizontally, or the hands will be like little put down, like that. That is the rest pose or casual pose. For this object and this curve, how it was in the beginning, that is the rest pose. So so in Blender or any sort, we have this pose mode and rest pose mode, like that too we have. So in rest pose, you should be able to bring when you put zeros. That is the important thing. When you put zeros in the XYZ for rotation, location, scale, everything. That is in case of scale, it is 1 1 1. So when you put zeros and 1 1 1, they should come back to the rest pose. That is the criteria. Right. Now we have to create the control, so that go to okay, here only we can do. You have selected the first vertex, press Ctrl H, create hook, new first option. Now select the second vertex, Ctrl hook, first option. Do the same for the third vertex also. Now we have three controls. Now go to object mode. Now so you can change the visibility of these controls. So select three of them, three controls, three empties. Go to the data properties in the properties editor, right side, down. There, press Alt and then press display as. Press Alt and then hold Alt and display as. Choose a cube. Now press Alt and then decrease the size. This is okay, fine. Right. Now this is how you should set the control. So control is now set. Now we have to add one more control, which is called, that it is a control hole. First you can change this one. You can change the name in the outliner. Control 1, 2, 3, like that. From empty, start from empty. This is control 2. 2 no, 2, that one is in the middle, no, control 2 it should be. Control 1. No, no, that is control 3. What you have selected is control 3. This one is control 1. No, on the name you should click. Ah, no, no, what I am saying is, you go to C, no, C first one. You are clicking off from the name, no, on the name you should click, I am saying. To, otherwise you won't. Right, um, now you have to create the control hole also. Go to add, empty, empty, circle. Right. So you can go to perspective, middle mode. Yeah. But like keep it like this. Yeah. Now select all these controls and then wire deformer. No. Select for deselect the circle. Yeah. And then wire deformer. And then mesh also select. Okay. Mesh is already under the wire. So you can now select the circle. Select the circle. Yeah. No, it's not selected. It's an orange color selection. Right. Now control P. Object. Yeah. Now select only the circle and then try to move it. Press G and then move it. Just yeah. So entire thing will move. Right. Now just press S and scale it and see. Right. So undo. Yeah. So this is what we want. Okay. Now, yeah. Right. Now, if you see, you can change this name also. Control hole. Some with difference. Press F2. Press F2. F2. CTL underscore hole curve deformer. Hole curve deformer. Yeah. Right. So now we have to select. If you just move the middle cube, no, middle cube. Second control 2. Yeah. Just press G. No. Yeah. Move upwards. Let keep it like that. Keep it like that. Keep it like. Now undo. Just undo it. Undo. Okay. Yeah. Now, no, wait. Undo. Now press no, don't move. Press Control A and choose location to deltas. Yeah. Now move it. So you have moved. Wait. Move it. Keep it. No, move it and keep it. Move it and keep it. Somewhere move it. No, up. Now leave it. Now you see some numbers are there in the XYZ, right? On the transform panel you see. Right side. So some numbers are there. If you put zeros now. So it is coming back to rest pose. This is what we want. So when you put zeros, it should come back to rest pose. When you, so otherwise no, how will you get the same shape? You will just approximately you will manually move and keep. That is not the precise one. When you apply zeros, it should come back to the exact rest pose how it was. So for this, for other controls also you have to give delta location to deltas. You have to select the first control and then last control. Yeah, first control you first select First control. Yeah. Control A. Location to deltas. Yeah. Now you select the third control. So location to deltas. Yeah. Right. So now all are zeros. When you move it somewhere else, you can safely come back to zeros. You can just type zeros and you will come back to the rest course. Right. So this is what is rigging is all about. That you should come back to rest course anytime. Yeah. Right. Now, wait. Now what we have to do is just move. Select the middle one, middle control. Uh, Move it up. Yeah, little more up. Yeah. Leave it. Let it be like this. Now you see the object is not completely. Object is not stretching. So I want the object to that is mesh to stretch along with the curve also. So that is what I want. So select the curve. Select the curve. Curve. Yeah. Select the curve. No, that is control. The curve is inside the object. No, that is called curve. Do you see the line there? Line. No, that is not. No. Do you see the line inside? Yeah, that is curve. Right. Now go to, do you see the curve properties on the right side in the properties editor? Come down. Properties editor. Curve property. Now there you see this curve deform options are there. Just find out the curve deform options. So those three things should be switched on. Yeah. Now it is stretching to the volume of length of the curve. So this is how it should be. But you should switch on this one after creating the controls only. After creating the controls for control 1, 2, 3, all that, then applying location to deltas, only then you should do this switching on the curve deform options in the curve properties or curve data properties. So yeah, this is the workflow. After this only you should do this, after this only you do this. So this is now you can select the middle control 2 and then put back to 0. Control 2. Yeah. 0. 0. Yeah. Like that. Okay. Right. Now this is the curve deformer. You have seen how to rig a mesh bound by curve. Right. Now you can save this if you want as a separate line. So you can save as curve deformer. Right. Now I think you can delete. Wait. That is yeah. You can delete everything. File new. You can put file new. Yeah. General. Okay. Select all and delete. Yeah. Go to top view. That is top orthography. Now add armature down. Single bone. Yeah. Now go to right view. Press don't move it. No. Go to edit mode. Press G and then make it flat. Control also. Press control and then press G and then control. No, no, only tail, only tail. Control, press control. Yeah, little make it lengthy in the X. Press G and X now. Press G and X. No, 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 no. X, X. Okay, okay. Y, Y. Sorry, Y. Press G and then Y. Yeah. Bus. Enough. Right. Now select the body of the bone. Body. Middle bone. Body. Yeah. Right click. Subdivide. And on the left side settings are there. In that 6 you put. Yeah. Now go to top view. Yeah. Press dot. Right. Now we are going to add IK. There is spline IK we saw. We are going to apply IK. Apart from spline IK, we have a IK also, just IK. No? Right. Now, how to create a control in case of IK? We have to create the control in the beginning itself. So how to do that? Yeah. The last one, last tail, no, end of this bone, entire session, entire series of bones, end. No, this is starting. We should know which one is starting, which one is ending. Go to top view only. No. Don't change the views. Go to select the last one. Yeah. So now press E. Now press control and then yeah. It should be straight. Yeah. No. Very small. It should be control. Press control. Keep pressing control. And then enough. Press. Now press that bone. Select that bone entirely. Select that single bone. No, not okay. Fine. Like that. If you select in the middle, head and tail will get selected. Right. Now press Alt P. Clear parent. So what it says is the controller should be independent of the connection and parent-child offset relationship. So two relationships are there. You see just select any bone, just not this bone, any other bone you select. Yeah. Another the last bone you select, last bone. Yeah. No. Shift select. Select. It's okay. Yeah. We are not going to do this. Just Control P. You say. Don't choose anything. Control P. See, you have these two types of parent-child. One is physical connection, and another is offset connection. Okay, offset connection shows only dotted lines. Physical connection means it will be physically connected. Okay, escape. Now press any this in the middle some bone you have selected. No, select only that again. Select any bone. Just press G and then just move it freely. You move it. Press G. So do you see any physical connection when you move? No. Always move it very slowly. No, why you are moving so hard, rashly? Yeah. So do you see the physical connection? It is physically connected. Okay. Undo it. Now select the last bone. Yeah. Now move that. Yeah. There is no connection at all. Okay. Now you have selected this bone and select the previous last bone also. Shift select previous last bone. Yeah. Shift select. No. Last select that bone. Okay. Just below that one bone is there. No. Now Control P. Offset. Now you select the control bone. last one, last, even then, even the last, the horizontal one, and yeah, now only that one, not shift, both are selected now. Now press G and then just move it. Now do you see the dotted lines? Yeah, so this is offset connection. Before, when you select the middle any of the bone, it will show the physical connection. Now you are seeing the dotted connection. It is called offset relationship. Okay, offset parenting, or physical connection, parent child relationship. So these kind of two relationships are there between bones. Right. Now you can actually clear the parent. Press Control Alt P to clear the parenting. Alt P. Yeah, yeah. Now just press G and then move it. There is no dotted lines because there is neither physical connection nor offset connection. That's all. There is no bond at all between them, any kind of bond. Right. Now, press F2 and name this guy as escape. Escape. You have pressed space bar, I think. Uh, Select the last bone and then F2. Name it as control. Control 2, you name it. Fine. Right. Now, so this guy, this control is going to govern these. How many bones are there? 1, 2, 3, 7 bones are there. Right. Right. Now, select the last bone, the 7th bone. No. See, still you are not understanding. This is, yeah, see, that is origin point. No, that is control bone. That is for where your last bone. Yeah, that one. No, that is control bone. We are not. That is last bone. So these bones are going to govern the mesh, actually. Control the mesh. So that control bone, what if we have named him? He is going to control all these 7 bones. What you have selected is 7th bone. Right. Now let's broaden the properties and outliner. Broaden the properties. Yeah. Now go to armature. Armature properties. No. Armature properties. Down. Okay. Data properties. Yeah. Now viewport display is there. Open the viewport display. Yeah. In that, switch on the names. Yeah. So that now you can see the names of the bones, so that you won't have confusion. Huh? Right. Now this select that bone 1 in the viewport. Yeah. No. You can see that bone 1 is there. Bone. Yeah, that is bone 1. Now. Now we have made the changes in the parent-child relationship here itself. That is, we freed the control bone from the parent-child relationship in edit mode. Now you have to go to pose mode. Go to pose mode. Yeah. Now go to object bone constraints in the properties editor. Yeah. Left side blue color. No, that is bone properties. Now go to choose in that menu IK. IK is spline constraint you have to choose. IK constraint, inverse kinematics, just inverse kinematics. Yeah. Now target should be always the armature. There is only one family. Yeah. Bone is going to be control bone. Which bone is going to control bone? Control. Right. So this control is going to control the govern the all these seven bones. Right. Now you have to mention the number of chains also. That is the number of bones you have to. Just bring your cursor down. It is showing chain length. In the settings you see chain length. So here you have to mention how many bones are there. Here you have to count in the viewport how many bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 you have to type. You have to type 7. Right. Now you try to select the control bone in the viewport. Now press G and then move it. Yeah. So this is how. So we were using other ways of like deformer ways of moving the. We were creating hook and then all that. This is another type of moving the series of bones. You should not. There is a limitation in this. You should not like too much movement. You should not do like. Yeah, that is press G and then move it. Yeah, so you should just bring it down, bring the so if you are so there is a limitation in this. It will have its own way of bending and all. So it won't break, but it may behave something not as per our wish. So that is why we don't use it. But sometimes this will be needed. This is also a kind of rigging of. So you can create another control also in the middle. How? Go to edit mode again. Select the bone 4. Yeah. In that bone 4's head you select. Only head. That is tail. Press E and then extrude it and keep it like that. Control, always press control and then it should be straight. Yeah, okay, fine. Now select that bone's body, that bone. Press control alt key. You have to free this bone from the clear parent. Yeah. Name him. Yeah, yeah. Name him. Press F2 and then name him. Control 1. Enter. Now just move it and see. Press G and then move it. Yeah. So he is not controlling anyone. So we have to make him control it. How? Same way. IK only you should give. But see, you have in the control 2, no? You mentioned how many bones. You select the bone 1. Go to bone 1. Go to post mode. Now how many bones are there in the chain length? 7 bones are there. Yeah. So you gave him the authority to control. Whom you gave the authority? You gave control to an authority to control all the 7 bones. Now you are changing. No, one more person has come to control the first 3 bones. So you have to control only the last 4 bones. So you type 4 there. In the chain length you type 4. Yeah. Now select the control. Select the bone 5. And go apply the same constraint. Okay. Yeah. Now choose the target as family. All that you have to choose. bone is control 2. He is going to control the bones. Now how? No, no, that is not it. That is not it. Chain length should be 3. No, 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 no. See how many bones he is going to control. That much only you should type. See, bone 6 and bone 5. These are the guys he is calling. So totally how 3. So 3 bones. Now you select the control 1 and just try to move it. Go to post mode. This post mode only, right? Okay. Press G and then move it. Okay. That is control 1 it should be. Select the bone 5. Bone 5. Yeah, it should be control 1 actually. Change the control. Control 1. Yeah. Now you select the control 1 and then move it. Control 1 bone. No, 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 no. Control 1 name. See the name. So this is how it is. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you see the control is going out of the area, it is not sticking to it. Yeah. So for that, two ways are there. That second way is not another way. It is like it is adding another constraint. Okay. But first way is we can do one thing. Select all these 7 bones. That is, you can do this selection in armature outliner also. No, 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 no. All these 7 bones you have to select. Press shift and then open. It will be easy. Press shift and then open. You have to press on the pose. You select bone, yeah, like that. Control select and then. No, no, not those. Only green color bone pieces you have to select. Right. So now you have selected all of them. Just heighten the properties editor. Heighten the properties. Now in the inverse kinematics, down inverse kinematics column is there. Yeah, open it. One second. No, 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 don't change it. Don't change it. Okay, here go to bone properties. Go to bone properties. Yeah. Here inverse kinematics is there. Just open it. Here you see IK stretch is there. Okay. Press Alt and then do the IK stretch to 1. Press Alt and then do the IK stretch. Press Alt and then do. Right. Now you go to you select the control 1. Select the control 1. Yeah. Anything. Okay, you select control 1. Now press G and then move it. See, now it is stretching. This is called IK stretch. So now the control is not coming out of it. It is traveling along with it. So sometimes you can use this kind of rig also. Now you can bind the mesh. Now go to object mode and add a cylinder or add a cylinder. Yeah, just we'll add the mesh and finish it off. Cylinder. Yeah. Rotate it in the x-axis. Go to rotate. No. Okay, fine. That is it. Let it be 90 degrees. No. No. Undo. Now press that red color and then type 90. Now make it smaller. Sorry. Select the cylinder and make it smaller. Yes, press yes and then bus. Now go to right view. No. Press 3. numerical pad 3. 3, 3. Now go to edit mode. Switch on the X-ray. Yeah. Now select the second group of vertices in the cylinder. Yeah. Now press G and X and then run it till the end. G and X. It's not happening. G. Okay. Sorry. G and Y. G Y. No. Uh-huh. How come? Okay, go to move option and then move. Yeah, G and Y you should press. Correct. Now, press A. Uh, take your cursor, add Control R, add more points. Mode. No. Immediately. Escape. Your number of cuts, increase it to some uh, 30. No, type. Okay. Now go to object mode. Yeah. Now you can actually make it smaller, thinner. I think it's very fat. So go to perspective first. Keep it like this. Yeah, keep it like this. Now go to scale option. Uh, Select the green color square patch. Slowly. Yeah, bus. Enough. Right. Now we are going to bind this guy. Press first Control A and then all transforms. Now, you have selected the mesh. Now select the armature in the outliner. In the outliner, you have to. Before that, you have to select this control. So select this. Select the armature. Just only armature you select. Yeah. Now go to pose mode. You have to go manually. Yeah. Now you have to switch off the deform in the properties. You just come to properties editor. Somewhere deform should be on. Scroll and then see where it's on. Switch off. Now for the control 2 also you should do the same thing. No. So both of them are not going to influence the mesh. Those controls will influence only those series of bones, not the mesh. So those series of bones will control the mesh. So they are called, those bones, 7 bones are called deform bones. So those deform bones you need not switch off the deform. Right. Now you go to object mode and select the object and then select the object. Select the armature in the outliner, or here also you select shift select. Here means shift select. Yeah. Now Control P. Automatic weights, armature automatic weights. That's all. Now you can select the armature and go to pose mode. No, only right. Okay. So now, no, those things you should not select. You are only with the controls you should select. Now just press G and then move it. So like this, it will deform the mesh also. Yeah. So this is one kind of control. Okay. So like this, we have several rigs for a cylinder. We had been doing several kind of rigs, at least more than 5. So this is one among the rigging type. So this here what we before what we were using is deformers, that is normal deformer, curve deformer and IK spline deformer, all those kind of deformer. This time we are using inverse kinematics, just inverse kinematics. So using the inverse kinematics, it is those bones are controlled in a different way. Uh, so like that it is. Now you can, if you do you have time or it's going to close? Okay, okay, then okay. So tomorrow you'll be available, no? Okay. So you can save this as IK inverse kinematics uh, binding, rigging you put rigging, inverse kinematics rigging. Okay. Okay, so meet you tomorrow, same time, no? Same time. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Yeah, bye.